So you're trying to start a custom t-shirt business and you have no idea where to start. You're searching the internet trying to find all the best bang for your bucks, where you can get machines, where you can get products, where you can get tools, and you are just having no luck. You have to go to one place to order something, then you have to go to the other place to order another thing. And that can get overwhelming. Next thing you know, you're all over the place and you can't stay focused. So what I've done in this video here, I've actually partnered up with our friends over at Pro World, and we put some packages together, right? So these packages was what I found helpful when I was getting started. There is nothing better than actually buying one thing and having everything else that you need to accomplish a job. All right. So let's say you're going to do t-shirts, and at the beginning, you're probably going to need a vinyl cutter with it, right? And you're going to need a heat press with it, or you're going to need some tools, some vinyl, all those things, right? And it's so much better when you can buy all of that in one package at one place. All right. So shout out to our partners at Pro World for putting this awesome package together for us. Let's jump over into the computer so I can walk you through all the different packages and see which one is really going to fit your budget as you get ready to get started in this custom apparel business. If you're excited for that, go ahead, hit the links down below. Subscribe if you're new. Let's jump into the video. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Erastus from Garmin Creations, and on this channel, you get tips and tricks to amplify your heat print business. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. I would also appreciate if you can join the Facebook group. It's called Fire Up the Heat Press. So that's Fire Up the Heat Press on Facebook, and in that group, you can drop your work, ask questions, just talk to people doing this full-time and as a hobby. Again, facebook.com/Fire Up the Heat Press. All right, so now we're back on the computer here. That means you've hit the link down below and you're now looking at this page. If you see the Pro World logo on the top left corner and you see the Garmin Creation logo in the middle there, that means we have partnered up together to put this awesome package together for you. Pro World, them folks over there, they literally have everything that you need to get your business off the ground and skilling in no time. All right, so I reached out to the folks. I'm like, yo, man, I think my people gonna value from packages. You think we can put some packages together? It's like, yeah, there's no problem there, right? So we went ahead and put this package together. I think the first package here is gonna be golden for anybody coming off, right? Coming right into the game. This Garmin Creation starter package right here is where most people are gonna start. Okay, most people will start right here in this package, and underneath of this package here, you're going to get a heat press and you get a vinyl cutter, you get some vinyls, you get some tools, everything that you basically need to get started, you can get right here in this package. Okay, so let's move over to the right. Let's see what's in this package actually. You have your Transpro 15x15 comes in here. Okay, so right off the jump, this package comes with the 15x15, the Transpro heat press. But you can actually upgrade this package to any heat press you want. So let's say I want to use the Transpro Plus, man, because you know that's the one that E's been using, and this is like the best heat press I've used so far. So you can definitely add that up and you upgrade your heat press, okay? Or you can just take the standard heat press that comes with this package, which would be the 15x15 heat press. Other thing that comes in this package that's going to be super important to you starting off, it's going to be a vinyl cutter, right? And the vinyl cutter that I recommend is going to be the Silhouette Cameo. All right, so the Silhouette Cameo 24-inch Pro version is exactly what comes in here. So this cutter right here is exactly what you need. This is going to be the Pro version. This is a 24-inch cutter. Okay, so that cutter there, then you get a bunch of vinyl with it as well. You got your Caesar Easy Weave vinyl. You get your Caesar Black. Caesar Black, like these colors are going to be your core colors when you're starting off. You're going to sell a lot of black vinyl shirts, you're going to sell a lot of white vinyl shirts, and red, then white, all those things there with the glitter as well. All those are awesome effects that you can add onto your garment, right, when you're starting right off. You also get a non-stick sheet. That's the Teflon sheet, 16x24. It's good enough to cover everything so you're not damaging your heat press. Right, so that's the first package here. This package is called the Garmin Creation Starter Package. And right now, at the time of this video, this package is priced at $9.97. So you can actually get this here starting at 0% APR, and you can do a monthly payment of $149. You understand? You can do $149, and you can probably sell one order and be able to pay for this. So the other package that's here is going to be the Garmin Creation Sublimation package. This package is cool, because most people are going to graduate from vinyl soon, or maybe you're coming in and you want to start just doing sublimation. There's a lot more things that you can do on the sublimation part of things, which is why we put this package together for you. And again, it comes with a heat press. You can't do anything without this heat press. Okay, so then it comes with the Sawgrass Printer, right? So the Sawgrass Printer are basically built for sublimation. There's no conversion here. You probably heard a lot of people converting printers, which is how I started. But now this printer is built just for sublimation. So you get the Sawgrass SG500. This one here starts at 8.5 by 11. Okay, so you can print 8.5 by 11, 8.5 by 14 in this printer. You have no issue with that. Okay, it comes with the starter kit from Sawgrass. It comes with some ink. It comes with some paper. So the paper that's used here is going to be the text print DT paper, right? So that's the sublimation paper that you can use, right? Comes with some non-stick sheets. Also comes with some blanks off the jump, right? Just how you have vinyl in the last package, this package here now give you some blanks products so you can get started right off of the jump making customizable product. So you got pillowcases, you got coasters, you got keychains, you got leather keychains, you got pencil bags, a bunch of things here to get you started right in this package. And at the time of this video, again, this package is priced right around a little more than $1,000. Can get you into the game selling sublimation products. You just need a heat press. Okay, so if you just need a heat press, you can also purchase a heat press from right here. This Transpro Plus heat press, which has been one of the best ones that I've used so far in the game, and I've been doing this for 7 years, man. So this Transpro Plus semi-auto heat press is awesome, man. I got a video on this heat press here. I'm gonna link it up down below in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. But again, this heat press here is going to come in a monthly payment as well. You can pay $100 a month on a firm and get access to this heat press. Or maybe you don't want to start off right here, right? You're on a budget from the jump. You don't have to go for the 16 by 20 auto. You can go right here at the Trans Pro 15 by 15. This was my second press when I started in the game, right? It's just the second press that I purchased. And we did a lot of things with this heat press right here. Okay, so this heat press right here is 15 by 15, right about this price right here. You'll pay $39 a month with a firm. Like, you cannot make any excuses on starting your business anymore. I put this package together in collaboration with our partners over at ProRaw, so you can't have any more excuses. All right, so there's a bunch of other things here. If you want the vinyl cutter by itself, you can get a Cameo 4. This is not the Pro version. This here will be a 12-inch cutter. You can grab that as well. This is where you will be able to add customizable names on the back, like numbers, sleeves, all those things there. When it comes into personalizing anything, this is when you need a vinyl cutter. Okay, so a vinyl cutter at 12 inches would be awesome. A great place to start. You can also upgrade that and go for the 24-inch cutter. All right, so the 24-inch cutter would be the Cameo Pro. Okay, so that's the Cameo Pro version, and the Pro version comes 24 inches wide. And again, you can grab any of these products here at ProRaw. All right, so ProRaw is sponsoring this video. ProRaw has put this package together in collaboration with us, Garmin Creations. So I hope you found value in all those packages, right? Because like I said, when I started, those were the things that I needed help in, like knowing exactly what product or what material or what machine you need to get the job done is essential, you know? So you're not all over the place buying something here. You're probably getting burnt somewhere else. Like, people are probably like overcharging you. You understand? But if you get it in one place, all in one package, come on now. Let me know in the comments. Like, do you like buying bundles? I like buying things in bundles as well. All right. So again, ProRaw has this, and you can catch the link down below in the description of this video. If you got any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.